been out since I feel like close to 3:30-ish, and it's now, what time is it?
7:47.
7:47. So it's cold outside, so obviously the heater's not on. It's like 20-some degrees outside, and they're working on it right now. As you can see in the background, I have my candles on, and it's really smelling like fall in here, and it literally feels like fall because it's cold. Yep, this is our Monday night. We have power, guys. It literally just turned on right now. Hallelujah. Excuse the mess. Yay, we have power. All right, so it's time to turn off these candles because now it's gonna get even more hot with the heater. I have this little lighthouse. It's so cute. I had it just for display, but it came in use today. I like to cover my candles so they won't stink when you blow them out. They won't stink like smoke. Hello guys. Alright, so we're on another day, and it's actually my sister's birthday today. So I'm gonna make her a cake, and my daughter chose strawberry cake, which is this one right here. I'm in the process of making it. I already oiled my pan, and I'm going to go ahead and prepare the cake. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take the cake to her when she gets off of work, but I'm not gonna tell her anything. So I'm gonna try and manage, hopefully, and see when she gets home and surprise her with the cake. So it's just gonna be me. My husband's probably gonna stay home and watch the girls. I just took out the cake, and it was so fluffy, and now it's going down. I hate when that happens, but it looks so good. It looks so pretty. I can't wait to decorate it. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Obviously I'm gonna frost it and, you know, try to make it pretty. But it looks so good. Today's dinner, I made some chorizo. I'm gonna make chorizo tacos. My husband loves chorizo, and I was making a quesadilla for the girls, and ended up making one for myself with cheese and chorizo on a flour tortilla. Yeah, I think that's gonna be my dinner. And maybe one taco. So I'm on my way to my sister's house, and I'm going to drop off her cake, and hopefully it won't be damaged by the time we get there. And I hope I get there before her, so I'm really hoping she has a bit of a traffic. So wish me luck. All right, let's go. Excuse the mess in the car, but this is the cake. So I really hope it doesn't fall over or anything. So I'm gonna try to go at the speed limit, since, yeah, kind of a speed racer sometimes. Hopefully it gets there in one piece, you guys. I just stopped at the store and got some balloons, and she doesn't know I'm on my way. I'm actually on the phone with her right now, and she has me on hold, so she doesn't live far away from me, so we should be there soon. Oh my god, you guys, the cake tipped over. And look what happened. But it's still saved. It's saved. It's still good. It's still good. You can see a little bit of damage there, but it's okay. Oh my god. Something just had to happen. It was just going perfect, and then it just bam. My nephew just got here. We got here at the same time. So my cake was going good until I got here.
What would happen?
It was tipped over.
Oh, dang.
But it got saved with the cap.
Oh, yeah.
It was like inside the cab. I was like, no. I wanted to get here before she got here. I texted her and I'm like, are you going home? Because I wasn't sure if she was going to come home or not. It would have been nice if I got here before she did.
I know, that's what I wanted to do too.
I'm like, I hope she has a lot of traffic.
No, me too. I hope she gets up late.
I know. Like your car, mijo, you fixed it up, right?
Yeah.
It looks nice. Even though it's dark, but.
Ooh, he has that little black American flag right there.
Where?
Right here.
Oh, that's cool. I like that.
Ooh.
You guys should go in first. I want to do the last entrance. Happy birthday! Thank you, Penela. I've killed the mess. I made you a cake.
Aww.
Natalie chose the flavor.
Aww.
You had like 4 boxes, and she's like, this one. And she picked strawberry cake.
Aww.
She wanted to put the sprinkles, but she was sleeping. She was taking a nap, so.
Aww.
Be in the shot. Okay, baby boy. Bless you.
You want peanut butter?
Peanut butter. You want peanut butter, fluffy boy? You know you're warm in that coat. Oh, he's so cute. That is so funny. Come our way.
Mira esto cómo quedó.
Happy birthday.
No te apures.
Oh my god.
Jeez,
That's
no
one of the-
patience for birthdays. ¿Quieren pastel?
No, no hace morder.
No, ya. No, porque me van a embarrar toda. I got time for that today.
Why, where are you going?
I gotta go help Isa at work.
Oh, that's right.
A ver, sigan platicando. De acuerdo.
Muérdale pues.
Ok, pues. No con
Ya
el...
Oh, come on.
¿Cuál?
You should have went under, mijo.
No, pero no como hacer todo reguero.
Well,
I already bit
it's
one.
a small piece.
Ok, pues.
So I've been seeing this pineapple challenge, I think it's called, and I wanted to try it, even though I do love pineapple. But since I have one, I want to try it and see if I can take all the pieces of it, which each individual, it's a fruit, which is so weird. I never knew that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it out. I'm gonna try this piece right here. And I haven't cut it or anything like that. I do have nails and they're kind of weak-ish. Probably gonna end up breaking. Oh my god, this is so hard. You can see the juice is coming out, but it's not, the piece is not coming out. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try this guy right here. And again, I didn't pre-cut it or anything. This is hard. It's a challenge for sure. Oh my god. This is so messy though. Who would want to eat a pineapple like this unless you're stranded somewhere? Yeah, this is what I only could take out. And there's just no way that I'm going to be poking through every little single fruit. I can honestly break a nail with this. And you don't want a piece of nail in there. So, there you have it. Challenge fail. Hey guys, and welcome back to another day. Today is actually my daughter's 6th birthday. She's growing up so fast. I will pick up my daughter in a few minutes, and I made her a cake just for her birthday today. I don't know, I just always feel that you need to have a cake on the day of your birthday, even though she is going to have a cake on her party, which is Saturday. This is the cake. It's just a small little cake that I made for her, and I just wanted to be a little bit more colorful and, you know, a little bit more fun for her. And inside, actually, I put some candy in there. So I like dig a hole and put candy in there, so when you cut it, there's candy that's gonna come out, and it's Skittles. So that's gonna be a little surprise for her. Excited. I hope she likes it. What do you guys think? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Sople. Ooh. Hey! You forgot to make a wish.
I wish for think about it.
Oh, okay. How's the cake? Good? You like your surprise in the cake?
Yeah,
Mañana.
I like Skittles. I'm gonna open my present next.
Okay.
I love it.
This is a little something, and then you get more on Saturday. Okay? Yeah, you may open it. Mommy made that egg surprise for you.
I got a teacher.
Mm.
I can make eggs. You made this?
Yeah, put the stuff in the golden egg.
Ah, I like it. I just see myself. Okay, that's enough there, got it. I'm gonna open this one.
Okay, corazón.
And I think what it is,
What is it?
it's a, you can get the pet or the LOL baby.
Mm.
Oh, has more jelly. I want a panda.
You love pandas. It's another beanie baby. So I just finished getting my daughter ready and myself ready. We're gonna go and get my daughter cupcakes for her class for her birthday. It's literally the next day. Her birthday was yesterday. Couldn't take any cupcakes yesterday because I guess they were doing some testing. We decided to bring in the cupcakes today. I'm gonna go to Walmart. I'm thinking Walmart or H-E-B. I really haven't tried H-E-B's cupcakes. I've tried Walmart's, they're pretty good. Alright, so I got these cupcakes for the class. I got some napkins and some paper plates and some juice. So now I gotta figure out how to put it all together and with the baby. So we are back home and it went by so fast and it was a little crazy. Everybody just got their cupcakes and their juices, and it was kind of close to going home as well, so that's why everything was all like fast and crazy. That's all the cupcakes that's left. There was 24. There was only, now there's 2 left for my husband and I.
Yes.
Dinner is served. Yeah, buddy.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Natalie. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday to you. Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. Hoy por ser que un cumpleaños te vas a cantar. Despierta, niña, despierta. Mira que ya amaneció. Ya los pajaritos cantan, la luna ya se metió. Chiquitibuna, la bimba, chiquitibuna, a la bimba. Nelly, Nelly, ra, ra, ra. It's a what?
Makeup table.
Makeup table.
Ay, perdón.
Makeup table.
You got a makeup table? For real?
Mhm.
Oh my goodness.
She got it first.